What's going on YouTube? This is Dre the Plug coming at you guys with some more technical heat. Let's get into it. So in this video, I'm basically going to give you guys a review of this dope tracker that I came across during Black Friday. So what's cool about it, it's a known tracker company. It's called Orbit. And what's cool about this one is the fact that it's in a form of a credit card. And this is like the latest version of it. Most of the ones that's already out there is pretty much completely black all the way through. And with this one, as you can see, you have your white there, you have your fingerprint right there. I want to just get into this review and just show you guys how this is a pretty dope product overall. I'm really impressed with it. So as you can see, those two holes at the bottom, that's how it'll end up being charged. This is basically the charger right here. Got Orbit on it. Got Orbit on it. There you go. But yeah, you basically have two pins on the inside, obviously for your power and ground. So you can just charge it through USB. So you don't even have to worry about getting like a watch battery, which most portable or mini types of trackers, you basically need that. Or with the regular Orbit tracker that's in the form of a keychain, there's a little circle. That's pretty much what it's for, but this is like the thinnest one on the market right now. And you can recharge and it can last up to 3 months. Imagine that, only having to charge your tracker for your tracker credit card 4 times out of the whole entire year. So let's get into this video. Let me show you guys how this is a dope product. Okay, so jumping into this charger, so as I said before, it's USB, so you can charge it up to the wall, you can charge it up to your laptop, anything that got a USB port, and you would just clamp it onto the back, how like I just showed you guys. And as you can see, it's charging. It's right here in the corner. Let's zoom in. See? A little light keep blinking, let you know that it's charging. And then when it's full, it'll just shine like non-stop. It basically won't blink. The tracker is completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about if it starts raining or if it end up dropping in water or some form or fashion. It'll be perfectly fine because it's completely waterproof. Okay, so let's jump into some of these features that this card has, right? So jumping into it, let's say somebody take your wallet while you're out somewhere, y'all at a sports bar, y'all watching the game, and somebody takes it, right? Automatically you can take out your phone, go through the app, and you can actually see where your card is going throughout the map on your phone. Like you can literally basically pull out Google Maps and you can see exactly where the location was, what was the last location, where is it being moved to. You can literally look up all of that through Google Maps within this app. So the main thing, which pretty much ties in with the phone and with the card, is how you have this range of 100 feet where you can necessarily stay in contact with both of them. So if somebody steals your phone, you can just take out your wallet and then your card can track the phone. If you have your phone but somebody stole your wallet, you can just boom, just take out your phone and then look it up. So let me show you guys exactly how it works if somebody wants to take my phone, but I have my wallet, I have my card in the inside of it. So the volume is gonna stop because of the volume up on this ringtone is gonna be so loud. And also you can customize your own ringtone to it too. That's really sick. It comes with like 3 defaults, but you can go in and put whatever ringtone you want, whatever song you want, as long as it's an MP3 file, customize your own ringtone. So let's get into it. So there you have it. There go the feature. You can see that the card was able to alert the phone and make the phone go off, flash, vibrate, and play a ringtone of whichever it is you're choosing. So now I'm about to basically show you guys everything in reverse. I'm about to take this phone right here, show you guys the app, and then put my other phone to record it. So that way you guys can actually see from an app standpoint how exactly it works, and I'm gonna go through all of the features. So also before I get into the apps and the features, let me just say when I meant the 100 feet range, I meant between the card and the phone. So if you don't want this 100 feet range to be in effect to where they're basically inseparable and every single time one is not without the other one, it'll go off and alert, you can turn this setting off. I just wanted to throw that out there as a disclaimer. It's just an extra option, an extra feature that they had to where it's tied in with the phone and tied in with the wallet. But they don't have to be in sync, like both don't have to be together. You can literally turn off the one from your phone and then you're able to just track the card in general. You don't have to worry about any alerts or any updates for when they're not next to each other in that 100 feet range. So let me show you guys how it works on the phone end. So let's say I have my wallet, but my phone just ended up missing or I cannot find it. So I just and then when I find my phone, that's it. Okay, so jumping into it, as you guys can see, this is the Orbit app. This is how it looks. Click it one time. As it appears, you'll end up seeing that right here it has Ring Orbit card. So I'm just show you guys how this works. So it'll just keep on ringing until I stop it. Once I press it again, right there, once I pressed it again, it completely stops. So if somebody take my card and I actually see on here where it is, I can press it, have it ring, have it go off. If it's somewhere near me or around me where I feel like I left my wallet, I'll know exactly where to go based on the ring. And then if I also wanted it to ring and then I ended up getting my wallet or my card, I could just press it and stop it from the card also. So if I decided to press this camera button right here at the top right, let's go. And if I press the button right here, I can instantly start taking pictures. So you can take selfies with the card too. Just another add-on feature. If I don't want to take a selfie, I could just flip the camera by just pressing the button. Have it right there. Then I can do the same thing, just press the card. And right there, picture was taken. So as you guys can see, it actually shows the card on the map and it works exactly like Google Maps, man, to the T. You see exactly where it is and you see its location. Going into the settings, you have your name. You could put your email in and have your own set password. If you want the sound to go off for your phone, if you want it to vibrate, if you want it to flash, if you want to go in and set the ringtone, you have all types of different ringtones. Like I said before, also other songs that you have on your phone will be added. Like, let's see. Well, you know what? I'm not even gonna throw no song in there because I don't want to get no copyright claim. But just saying, you could put songs on there that you have on your phone already. So go on to setup, smart reminder. You could actually have it to where, like, if you leave from like certain locations or certain areas, it'll end up going off. Like, for example, if you have like set locations for your home or for your work where you want to make sure that when you step out the house that it's going to go off, that's something that you could put in place to have designated addresses. And for that, have help center, privacy policy, terms, services, and you have manual, and then app running in the background. So that's basically if you want it to basically be connected to your phone and always be in sync all the time. If I turn it off and I take my phone and just run past 100 feet, it won't have any effect. But if I turn it off, then turn it right back on, and I do the same thing, it'll end up going off. Both the phone and the car will end up going off, just to let you guys know. And that's if you want to keep them together, keep them paired in a sense. So then at the bottom, you see it has Orbit card. Last seen, it'll keep you updated. You have your battery indicator, which I thought was pretty smooth because I'm always wonder, you know, what's the battery life, because it don't necessarily have a percentage or anything on it already. So you can add other cards if you want to. And then right here, you have your 3 dots for if you want to, you know, change the name of the card, turn separation on. So this pretty much allows you to have that ability to keep it in close contact and be in sync with each other. If you want to turn that off, like I said before, you could just shut that off completely. Then you have your 3 ringtones. This is for the card. So you have your first, second. This is the first one. Let me just go ahead and give you guys a demonstration. That's your first one. Let's try out the second one. second one, and then your third one. I feel like the third one is the best, and it's the loudest. You know, just keep going until it stops. Then you got LexaCard, that information. If you want to get some add-on features, if there's something you want to add to it, have that ability. And then you could just delete the orbit altogether. So that's pretty much the whole rundown of the whole app of Orbit, and pretty much how to use it and how to go about adding this product to your wallet. Hey man, definitely let me know what y'all think. Do y'all feel like this is a good buy? Is it a good purchase? Is it technical heat, man? Let me know if it's technical heat or if it's not. And that concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help the channel. Definitely go check out my Instagram, DreDaPlug123. And then go also check out my other YouTube channel. I'll have it linked down below. This was the channel I started a little while ago. It's basically about barbering and basically giving your own self a fresh cut and looking nice when you step out the house. So definitely check out that channel. I do all types of different haircuts. And be looking forward for the next video that drop. And I'm out.